Very good morning everyone. My today's topic is sentences. Simple, compound and complex. Now first of all let us define what is a simple sentence. A sentence having only one clause and therefore only a single finite verb is called a simple sentence. For example, Reena agreed to meet me at the stationery shop near the cafe. The verb in this sentence is agreed. It is a finite verb. This sentence is a clause. We can say so because it has a subject Reena and a finite verb agreed. And this sentence can be divided into the subject and predicate. Simple sentences have single clause. Next example, Susan and her kitten lay in the hammock. This sentence has two subjects, that is Susan and her kitten. Lay is the finite verb. It means that a simple sentence can have more than two subjects. Next example, Susan saw clouds and birds. This sentence is having two objects and one subject and a finite verb. So simple sentences can have many numbers of objects. सिंपल सेंटेंस में एक सब्जेक्ट और एक फाइनिट वर्ब होता है और यह सेंटेंस केवल एक ही क्लॉज से बना होता है. इसके पास दो से अधिक सब्जेक्ट हो सकते हैं और दो या तीन से अधिक ऑब्जेक्ट भी हो सकते हैं और केवल एक फाइनिट वर्ब होता है. नेक्स्ट, कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. लेट अस डिफाइन a sentence which is made up of two or more principal or main clauses is called a compound sentence. The clauses of a compound sentence are called coordinate clauses. Compound sentence के पास दो clauses होते हैं जिनको हम coordinate clauses कहते हैं. For example, I like all the seasons of the year, but I like winter best. In this sentence, I like all the seasons of the year is the main clause, but I like winter best is also acting as main or principal clauses because neither of these clauses depends on the other. In the first clause, I is the subject, like is the finite verb, and in the next clause, I is the subject and like is the finite verb. Both are independent of each other, but these two independent clauses can be joined by coordinating conjunction, that is but. So the whole sentence is I like all the seasons of the year, but I like winter best. Whenever two coordinate clauses are joined by coordinating conjunction, that is fan boy, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, only, still, so, then it is called as compound sentence. कंपाउंड सेंटेंस में दो क्लॉजेस को हम कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन के माध्यम से जोड़ा जाता है, जिसे हम फैन बॉय कहते हैं. फॉर, एंड, नॉर, बट, और, येट, ओनली, स्टिल, सो. जब इस तरह का कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन किसी सेंटेंस में हो तब उसे हम कंपाउंड सेंटेंस जान सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, मोली बेक्ड अ वैनिला केक and Polly decorated it. This sentence can be called as compound sentence because the clauses in the sentence is independent of each other. Molly baked a vanilla cake is the principal clause and Polly decorated it is also acting as main clause or principal clause. They are not being dependent on each other. These clauses are joined by the conjunction and कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन है और दो मेन क्लॉजेस को जोड़ रहा है, इसलिए यह सेंटेंस कंपाउंड सेंटेंस हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट वन, कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. लेट अस डिफाइन इट. अ सेंटेंस विच इज मेड अप ऑफ अ प्रिंसिपल और मेन क्लॉज and at least one subordinate clauses इज कॉल्ड अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस। इसका मतलब कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज और कम से कम एक सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज होना चाहिए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई ग्रैंड मदर गिव्स अस इडलीज एंड डोसाज when we visit her at her house. The first clause in the complex sentence is my grandmother gives us idlis and dosas, because the first clause makes complete sense and is capable of standing on its own. You have already studied that a clause that expresses a complete sense and can stand alone in a sentence is called the main or principal clause. The second clause in the sentence, when we visit her at her house, it is a subordinate clause because it makes sense but not complete sense. It cannot stand on its own as an independent sentence. To convey its full meaning, it has to be joined to the first clause. And we know that the clause that cannot stand on its own and depends on the main clause to complete its meaning is called a subordinate clause. And these two clauses are joined by subordinate conjunction. And the subordinate conjunction in this sentence is when. So whole sentence stands, my grandmother gives us idlis and dosas when we visit her at her house. स्टूडेंट्स, ये याद रखिएगा कि कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस के दो क्लॉजेस को हम सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन से जोड़ते हैं। सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन दैट, इफ, हु, व्हेन, वेयर, बिफोर, ऑल्दो, सिंस, आफ्टर, अनलेस, बिकॉज, एज, वाइल, एटसेट्रा। नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, इफ ही एवर गेट्स एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, मानिक वुड लव टू विजिट द इजिप्टियन पिरामिड्स। In this sentence also, the first clause is subordinating clause and second one is main clause, because the second clause is standing on its own and capable of completing its sense, and the first clause is dependent. It is depending upon the second clause to complete its whole sense. इस कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में पहला क्लॉज सबऑर्डिनेटिंग क्लॉज है और दूसरा मेन या प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज है, और इन दोनों क्लॉजेस को सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन इफ के द्वारा जोड़ा गया है। नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, आई वांटेड टू बाई अ बेबी पग सो आई स्टार्टेड टू सेव मनी। फर्स्ट वन इज द इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज एंड द सेकंड वन इज डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज। These two clauses are forming together complex sentence because they are joined by the conjunction so, and so belongs to subordinating conjunction.